Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the problem sort the people. We're given an array of names of people as well as their heights, and we have to sort the array of names based on people's height, descending. So this is a simple arg sort, a simple argument sort problem, and more generally, because this is what often happens, is the problem where you have two arrays and you want to sort one array based on the values in the other array. The general pattern in Python for doing arg sorts and other types of indirect sorting is that the sorting methods, such as the sort method, which sorts in place, or the sorted function, which returns a sorted iterator, take the key function. Because what they do is they by default do an indirect sort. You have an array, so they first generate another array by transforming every element through the key function, and then they perform a sort of the original array based on the values in this key array. And by default, when key is just the identity function, then this is just a normal sort. So sometimes it's possible to just give a simple sort by defining a key appropriately. In this case, I think it's not very convenient because names are strings. So if the names weren't strings but instead were ints, and we would just have to return not the names of people sorted, but the numbers of people sorted, then you could just sort the list of numbers with the key being the heights. Either way, when we take the order, in this case this is just the original order of people that they came in with, so numbers from 0 to n-1, not inclusive. So a list of range of length of names. When we sort it using as key simply the function that for x gives us the height of x, and we also want it to be descending, so we use reverse true, we get the order of people sorted by heights descending. And now we have to return the names of those people, and here's another useful Python trick to do so, which is just a list comprehension. So we can return a list, and that list would be the name of the ith person for I in order. And that's it. That's a simple implementation problem. There are, of course, different ways to implement it. So do it your way.